How was the Earth formed? The most widely accepted theory today is that about 4.6 billion years ago, the Earth was formed from the remnants of materials surrounding the primordial Sun. Through continuous collisions and accumulation, these materials eventually coalesced to form the early Earth. But what exactly was this process like? Our story begins with a vast cloud of interstellar dust and gas, known as the solar nebula. This nebula was once quietly floating in space until one day, it experienced a disturbance that created a high-density region. Under its own gravitational force, the nebula collapsed, forming a rotating disk-like structure. As more material gathered at the center of the disk, the temperature and pressure increased, eventually triggering thermonuclear reactions. This is how our Sun was born. After the Sun formed, the remaining dust and gas continued to orbit around it, gradually condensing into tiny particles. Over time, these particles collided and adhered to each other, growing larger through countless impacts until the Earth was formed. During this period, the Earth resembled a hellish landscape, with its surface covered by molten lava oceans. Shortly after the primordial Earth formed, around 4.5 billion years ago, a Mars-sized celestial body named Theia collided with Earth in a massive impact. The debris from this collision formed a ring around the Earth, which eventually coalesced under gravity to form the Moon. This collision not only created the Moon, but also gave the Earth its axial tilt, which played a crucial role in stabilizing the planet's climate over time. After enduring intense collisions and high temperatures in its early stages, the Earth's surface began to cool. However, this cooling was accompanied by frequent volcanic activity, which released large amounts of gas. These gases gradually rose, forming the Earth's early atmosphere. Around 4 billion years ago, the Earth entered a period known as the Late Heavy Bombardment, during which numerous asteroids and comets continuously struck the planet. Comets also brought significant amounts of water and organic materials. As the Earth's environment gradually stabilized, oceans and an atmosphere formed, creating the necessary conditions for life to emerge. Scientists believe that around 3.8 billion years ago, the earliest single-celled life forms emerged from hydrothermal vents on the ocean floor. Over time, these simple organisms evolved into more complex life forms, eventually giving rise to the vibrant and diverse world we see today.